Okay, guys, it's a beautiful Sunday morning. The sun is shining. It's nice and crisp and cool. Nice fall day. I'm heading out this afternoon to play some golf with everybody from the dojo. So I'll see you guys there. I'm looking forward to it. I'm not much of a golfer. I've hit the driving range. I've done the putt-putt thing. So now I guess I got to figure out what happens in the middle when we play golf. So that's pretty exciting. I could use everybody's help a little bit. So I think I got my outfit. I don't have any golfing outfits, but I think I'm okay. I got my Lululemon joggers. I got my Lululemon polo. I just got a nice little sweatshirt because it's a little cool outside. I could use some help. How about my cap? I think this one is pretty cool. This is one of my favorite caps. So I think that's pretty cool. But then I got this sporty cap. I don't know which is better for golf. So if you could let me know in the comments, that would be great. Not actually here to tell you about my day. I was just driving around with my son. He wanted to practice his driving a little bit in parking because he's just about finished his driving course and is going to be wanting to go for his license soon. So he just wanted to go for a little drive. And it got me thinking about something. How do we make our kids, how do we guide them in a way that we foster like a love for something? So like karate, for example, you want your kids to love karate. You want them to enjoy coming to the dojo, okay? And here's, I don't know if I call it a trick. This works great with the kids, okay? Doesn't matter how your kid takes to karate. It doesn't matter if they're in class and they're spinning around and they're unfocused and undisciplined, okay? Don't worry about that right now. I want you to watch your kids even for 5 minutes, and I need you to hone in on something that they did well. Not perfect, but for them, they did it well. Maybe they had a moment of focus where they were paying attention. Pay attention to the instructors. If the instructors compliment your kids or tell them they're doing well at something, what I need you to do is reinforce that, okay? If you see something they did well, even if it's just one kick. Wow, that kick I saw you do when you hit the pad, you hit it so strong. That was great. Next time I want to see that again. That's all you have to do. And then stop. Move on, okay? Go on with the rest of your day. Just drop them one tiny compliment. The key here is that the compliment has to be sincere, okay? It can't be a lie. They know what they've been doing in class. They know what their behavior is like. So just drop them that little confident at that area and remind them that during the class, they did something positive. Okay, that's all you need to do. It doesn't matter if they only had a half second of clarity in the class. If you saw that half second of clarity, you point it out to them, okay? You tell them, that was good when you were listening to the teacher today for a little bit. That's really good, okay? Good job. And move on. That's it. And just keep doing this, okay? Work this into your entire routine with your kids, okay? Did they put their bowl in the sink, okay? Thank you so much. I'm so glad that you helped me out by putting your cereal bowl in the sink. Okay, just start layering these compliments into your interactions with your kids. Okay, do this with grown-ups. Okay, do this with adults. Just the most important thing you have to know is you have to be sincere. Okay, I'm rambling on because you all know that's what I tend to do. But anyway, drop me a comment. Let me know which hat works better. Okay. Anyway, we'll see you guys soon. Kyoshi out.